Students, today we are going to learn share issued at a premium with forfeiture. Look at the problem. Today we are going to learn forfeiture of share. At the same time, shares are issued at premium. The default in call money. Okay. Sum number 11. Con Limited issued 80,000 shares of rupees 10 each at a premium of rupees 2. Rupees 2 on application, 5 on allotment including premium, 3 on first call and rupees 2 on second call. Public applied for 70,000 share. It is an under subscription. Duly allotted. All money was received except 1,000 share first and second call money. All share money received, 1,000 share first call money and 1,000 share second call money not received. These shares were forfeited after due notice. So we do not have problem with application as well as allotment. We have problem with the first call and second call. Okay, we'll solve the problem. First we are going to record journal for share application. Entry is bank account data to share application. Since it is an under subscription, we can take 70,000. On application, how much we are collecting? 2 rupees. So on application, we will collect 1,40,000. Immediately the share application money should be transferred to share capital. Share application account data to share capital. Value same 70,000 into 2, 1,40,000. Next we are going to record journal for share allotment. Here no problem with the share allotment, we collected fully. So entry is share allotment account data to share capital to securities premium. Securities premium. Number of share 70,000. Allotment money how much? 5. Then write the premium value. Allotment minus premium, we will get what? Capital. Being share allotment made. Next we are going to record journal for share allotment money. Bank account data to share allotment. The value 70,000. We have to multiply that allotment value. 3,50,000. So on application, we collected fully. Allotment also we collected fully. We have problem with the first call and second call. Then we are going to record journal for share first call transfer. Share first call account data to share capital. On transfer entry, we can write that full shares 70,000 share into 3. 2 lakh. We supposed to collect 2,10,000 rupees. Being share first call made. Bank account data to share first call. 1,000 share money not received. So 69,000 share money received. So first call made fully, received 1,000 shares less. Likewise, we have to record the second call entry. Share second call account data to share capital. In second call also, we did not receive 1,000 share money. So on transfer, we can use the full shares. So 70,000 into 2, 1,40,000. Then I am going to receive share second call money. Entry is bank account data to share second call. So 1,000 share money not received. So we can receive 69,000 share. We collected 1,38,000. So application money fully received, allotment money fully received. First call 1,000 share money not received. In second call also 1,000 share money not received. Now I am going to forfeit. On forfeiture, I said earlier share capital should be debited. Why debited? On issue of share capital credited. On issue of share capital credited. On forfeiture, the shares are coming back to the company. We have to reduce the share capital, so it should be debited. In first call 1000, second call also 1000. So we are going to forfeit how many share? 1000 share into shares are forfeited after final call. So the called up value how much? 10 rupees. 1000 share money not received into called up value. Shares are forfeited after final call, so we can take entire share value as called up. Then non-payment, unpaid value. In share first call, we did not pay 1000 share money. 1000 into 3. 3000 share, 3000 rupees not received. In share second call, 1000 into 2. 2000 rupees not received. So how much received by the company? 1000 into 5. So this is unpaid. This is also unpaid. This is called paid value. Called up value 10, of which 5 rupees not paid. So remaining 5 rupees is paid. So the paid should be transferred to the share forfeiture. Balance how much? 5000. Narration. Shares were forfeited. Here student listen. Here share issued at premium, we have problem in call. So in that case, the security premium will not affect the share forfeiture entry. Student, in this problem we learned share issued at premium, forfeiture of share, default in call. In that case, the security premium will not come to share forfeiture.